Alright, we're going to go ahead and install another air conditioner in this spot. Now these spots are too big for an air conditioner as they are. So you have to make a panel that goes on the roof and inside, which I've already done. Needs to go. See this hole here, I forgot what it is, like 17 by 17, maybe bigger than that. Most all of your RV stuff is going to be 14 by 14. You're like your max fans, your air conditioners. If you have an air conditioner here and a max fan back here, you can swap them around as long as you got 14-inch holes. So now what I have to do is I have to take the screws out of the top, finish taking this out, and then I'll put the panel on the top first so that I can set the air conditioner on, and then I'll line it up with the bolts and then put the interior panel on. So we'll be back. Alright. You can see the air conditioner hole is just 14 by 14. This hole is for the emergency exit. This is the sheet metal I make, that white sheet metal with a 14 by 14 hole, and then I rivet it and seal it all the way around. And now I'm fishing my electrical wire, which is 12 gauge. I got a CB antenna shoved through the hole here. Okay, I'm going to tape it here where the antenna comes through, and then I'm going to pull it through, and then I'll have my electrical in here, and then I can put my inside piece on. This thing won't focus too close. And then we'll be pretty darn close to having 2 AC units. One of them's running. It's not too bad in here right now. So we'll get going. Yeah, picking up on the floor. there's the electrical. Alright, there's the inside piece, pop riveted and sealed in. That's what we use to line it up with, is our 4 bolts. Because I cut these 2 pieces together. Now what we got to do is we got to go to town and get me a piece of that thick styrofoam, and we're going to build us a block all the way around. We're going to bring our cord in, we're going to tape and seal it all up, put the inside piece on, wire it up, plug it up, see what it does. We'll be back when we get back from town. Do what?
Might be some up at the house.
Find a box knife at work. See, all the ones that are half used for some right, even they work. Alright, go up to the house, see if you can find some duct tape. I don't know what's wrong with that. Alright, there's the side I'm working on. And there's the 3 sides I've got. I've got a notch for my cord so I can pull it back. I've got all these taped up. That way when we go to put our pieces, last 2 pieces in, we'll be all sealed up. No air will be getting out of this plenum here into the roof area. It'll all be coming out the vents. I'll put you over here and I don't know if you can see that. Oh man, cut that in half. Rip that in half. No, rip it in half here. Squeeze it in here. Okay, now I need all the keys. Seal that up. Did I? Green.
My chair's trying to get you do. You double it down.
Oh. About the same age. Sealed up. All right, here's the panel that we had to trim about in half, literally down there by her feet. You'll see all the pieces we had to cut, and it fits in this groove and goes up in there and separates cold air from export air. Okay, we got our power cord in here. I got the 4 bolts in, just holding this inside piece up. I'm fixing to put the electrical together. I got all of our inside taped up So there's going to be no chance of any kind of air loss. I got my plug plugged in, that one that was dangling down earlier. Okay, the other plug over here is for heat. So you can add heat to this thing. Okay? These are pretty self-explanatory. They come with like a 3-page booklet. So it's not like they're going to be hard to figure out. So let me get back and I will come back after I get this tidied up and we'll start pulling the centerpiece up. Alright, there's the electrical all cinched up. It's in this little connector right there. I got the lid for the box. We're going to put it in and then we're going to pull this excess cord back. Yeah, I'm thinking it's going to be this bit. No. It's 2 different screws. So look at that package. The 2 screws look like that. There's one. There we go.
These right here look like that, but they're not in there.
Okay. Got the lid on. Now I need the bigger socket. One on here. Yep, in my box. Pull that excess through.
What does that do?
What's that? That's deflecting tape.
What?
It's deflecting tape to tape around all your joints, but they don't give you enough. That's why I use duct tape. Now, let me get this screw out of the way. Okay. Hey, pull that wire. Okay. That's good. Now all we do is we pull it up slowly. Your job is to maintain that.
Cord right here, don't have to
No. It's out of the way. All right. We can actually turn it on. You can plug me up.
Where am I gonna plug you in?
I want to get the knobs. Well,
Pause.
what? I'm ready for this piece. This is going to go this way. Why would it fit in the front? Well, I guess it will once I put the screws in it. Foam pad. That's what it fits. Alright, let me get a small drill bit. And there should be a bunch of those screws there. Yeah, they won't tap for the shit. You'll be sitting there screwing on it for 15 minutes into the tap. And then I can't remember what them lag screws are for. Them two you got in hand. We'll be back. All right, we got it all in. She's gonna go turn it on, see if we can't blow some breakers. I'll trim that tape off later. Give it a few minutes to cool down.